She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. Loves me not. Loves me. Loves me not. You see, my mother doesn't love me. And why should she, indeed? She wants to have love affairs and wear light-coloured clothes, but here I am, 25 years old already. I'm constantly reminding her of it. When I'm not here, she's 32. But when I am here, she's 43, and she hates me for it. Moreover so, because she knows I have no use of the theatre. She loves the theatre. She feels like she's serving humanity. My opinion is that the theatre of today's in a rut, full of prejudices and conventions. When I see the curtain rise on a room with 3 walls, and these talented people, these high priests of a sacred art, depicting the way people eat, make love, walk, and wear clothes under the artificial light of the stage, when I see them getting the tritest of words out of the emptiest of scenes, some petty little moral that has every use in the home, when I see the same old thing again, the same thing again and again. I just want to run, like Maupassant ran from the Eiffel Tower when it oppressed him, filled him with vulgarity.
And cut.